You got tired of paying high gasoline prices at the pump and bought an electric car to get some relief. As a result, your gasoline expenses went down, but your electric bill went up due to charging your car batteries. Don't worry, I will have a solution for you. Hi, I'm Mohidul Saad, co-founder of SolarInstallGuru.com. I will show you in next 2.5 minutes how your rooftop solar energy system can significantly reduce your electric bill and eliminate the cost of driving your car.
Your rooftop solar system will not only reduce or eliminate the cost of driving your electric car, but it will also relieve you from the burden of high electric bills. If you already have an electric car and are paying higher than normal electric bills, a solar energy system can help you reduce it significantly. If you want to actualize the solar savings and go ahead with the solar system installation, an electric car can be a big money saver, as the car can be charged using your home solar system for free. This can amount to savings of hundreds of dollars per month. Your home solar system will reduce the burden of high electricity bills and reduce or totally eliminate your transportation-related expenses significantly. A group called Union of Concerned Scientists states in their website www.ucsusa.org that a typical driver saves about $750 to $1,200 a year for driving an electric car. Electric car owners must use these savings to pay for the higher than normal electric bills that come about from charging an electric car battery. But you save it all, as the charging will be done by using your home solar system for free. You need to reduce your electricity bill and reduce or eliminate the cost of driving your car. Both of these goals are achieved by installing a solar system on your rooftop. The savings from your reduced electric bills could be as high as 90%. So, if you are paying $200 a month with 90% savings, it could come down to
$20.
You will potentially be saving
$180
a month on your electric bill and another $100 worth of savings at the pump for driving an electric car and not having to pay extra for charging the batteries. That is a
$280
a month savings for just deciding to switch over to solar as your primary source of energy. Significantly reducing or eliminating the cost of driving your car is not a dream, but a reality. You have the power to take charge and eliminate the cost of driving your car. All it takes is some information and determination to take action.
If you want to save money and the environment, please visit SolarInstallGuru.com and make an appointment for a free solar inspection today. You'll also find a lot of other solar-related money-saving tips in our blog and video presentations. What are you waiting for? Go to SolarInstallGuru.com right now and you will receive a free ebook of $40 value for just visiting the site. The ebook titled 101 Ways to Install Solar System with Little or No Out-of-Pocket Cost covers in depth how you can save thousands of dollars, reduce greenhouse gases, and save the environment in the process. You can also register for free online training courses covering topics such as solar savings, solar impact on the environment, various solar rebates, solar financing, and solar maintenance, to name a few. I would like you to join our conversations on Twitter and Facebook. Follow us on Twitter at Solar INST Guru and like us on facebook.com/Solar INSTALL Guru. Thank you.